Yeah.
Yeah, guys, look at us. So out here, I know this looks so funny. So out here in the streets of America, you see me I say in New York, you know, me and my boy go for a walk, you know. Yeah, see the metro there, Jalen. See the metro, that's the metro, see there? Yeah. Yeah, guys. A nice little experience this. So we left Kyrie and Cass back home. So them I get ready because we're going to the mall, you know. But Jay say I want to walk the streets a little, so I said let's do that, you know. Yeah, man. So I walk the streets of Brooklyn. Wait there. Yeah.
You want to come from Portmore?
Yeah. Well, all the bus them get some newer buses since the last time I was in New York. Well, last time I was in New York, the bus them look old and ugly. The bus them look nicer now. You know, here's a boy, all the bus fare raised up. When I was here last time, about $1 for go up on the bus them. But now they must say about, how much is it to go on the bus these days? $2.75. Okay. Alright, thank you. Yeah, so when me there last time, I $1 for go up on the bus them, metro and everything, but now it raised to $2.75. You know? Yeah, so I think they said we're gonna take the bus, right, Jay? I think they said we were gonna take the bus, right?
I don't know, they didn't decide.
I think them said them all do that because everybody can't go in the one vehicle, so we all going.
Them said Vivian going to the bus.
No, we all. Yep. The streets. Oh, we can walk. So you say it's white? You see the sign? Yeah. So you see in America, Jay, you have to follow the street sign, you know. So you see it's safe to walk. Yeah. Yeah, so you will go back in. Hopefully cast them ready. Yeah, hopefully cast them ready. So I'll sew them up to and then we can hit the mall, you know. Yep. Alright, we are out.
Throw it!
What were there? Were there a Flatbush? What am I name? What Shanika say? King's Mall, right?
King's Plaza.
Yes, King's Plaza.
Hey guys, it's me again.
Yes.
You know me from yesterday, guys.
Yeah, it's a nice day out, you know. Come in.
Yeah. Hey, what's going on?
Yes, guys, me again.
Yeah. We're attempting to go across the road.
Oh, we're gonna go across the road, guys.
Today is not that bad. The breeze is cold, but the sun is out. It's not that cold at all, to be honest. That is good news for me. Right? And it's really good news for me.
Guys, this is the place.
You come that way here, come look. Over there, right? Alright. Come sit with them. Yes, so we're actually meeting some of our family members here. My mom, my sister, and my nephew. They were here before us, so we're actually meeting them.
so much. I didn't know they sell a lot.
Sometimes, yeah, sometimes I come.
Kijk naar de hokker.
Who's this, Blossom?
No, it's Cassandra.
Is this Blossom?
That's Cassandra.
Is this my mom? Guys, this is my mom.
61?
That's my sister.
That's her.
Okay, put that up Kyrie.
Look at you.
What is that?
Escalator. To go up the stairs. You want to go up there? Yes. Let's go. Want to go over there? Oh,
Carrie, look at that. You like that?
yes. Look. Hello? Let me see. Eh? Oh, it looks so cute though. I love the color. Yeah, with the ear.
I almost went in a fight. But like I said, she almost went in a fight.
Come over here.
Yeah, it's
Alright, as I say, yeah, sure. Come,
She
baby.
almost got in a fight.
That's great.
Oh, you're not cooperating, Kyrie? You know you're the only person not cooperating, baby?
Unruly Kyrie.
I'm gonna cry.
Kyrie, look at this. Kyrie, look at this one.
Look at this
Look at this one, Kyrie.
Hi, Kai, look. Avengers. You see like this? Look.
I want to take him so you can't. Come, baby. Yeah, I'm gonna cry if you don't come. Cry, you have to keep yourself.
You think I'm playing? No, I'm not. Because
You never
Guys.
say anything when you want, sure?
guys, I got free water games. I got free.
You sure? You don't have to take them, you know.
Also, I say, guys, I have 2 water games and I have 1 yo-yo.
Let me see that shirt. That look big. Are you sure that your size on?
Yes.
1 piece. What? Okay. That's like a Pokemon something like that?
No.
Who's that dude?
Luffy.
Rufy, when coming?
1 piece.
1 piece? That's the name of the cartoon?
Yes.
Let me see it again.
Jean shorts.
Rufy?
Favorite.
Okay.
Jean
Alright.
shorts. Anybody?
No. No. Why do you keep on putting
Yeah, she'll show you something.
You came in my heart and the bubbly.
No? You look on the price. Are you happy with it? Look at the price.
Like this?
Expensive?
No.
No, I'm gonna like this.
No.
Oh, yes, girl. Yes, girl. Yes, girl. Yes, girl. Yeah.
You carry moving with the whole store. Look at him. Let's go.
Come here, Carrie. Let's go on an escalator. Escalator? Come here, Carrie.
Right around the corner.
We're on an escalator.
We're going this way.
Come, baby. You have to use. Hold it, baby. Put it into this.
Hey.
Hey, you want to buy me those wings?
Yay.
One of yes. And you still hold on for this.
Yeah, only now to go.
Fire shop.
Fire a youth.
They walk it.
H&M. Come on, Jay. We're going H&M. Yeah, in here, so.
¿Me pasó? ¿Se fue para allá?
Little chilly outside there. You know? What we doing now?
Well, we are going home. Because we came out late, so we need to come back earlier so we can do more shopping.
Money enough.
Yes. Turn up.
The mall like 7 o'clock today. You get me? Yeah, now we're in the place to go up a little later.
Hi guys again. Guys, it's still day, but it's evening.
So hard dealing with these kids all day.
Man, it's crazy.
That one up. Not care about no escalator again. Watch. Look at the people of escalator. That's a lot of people for you, you know? Escalator. I want to enjoy people actually.
Like, babe, which is really not carry him come. And if him have this full trolley behind him, pulling. So I'm saying, Shanika, you went back and filled another trolley? She was like, no, I don't know where I'm getting that from. So she walked with him and him just drag with somebody trolley.
Imagine them spending a whole hour at the store and get them things. And then they disappear.
I mean, like, really?
I don't want to think I went to the bar about now, set them on the escalator.
That's where I got sometimes.
Alright. Let me see the temperature right now. So I go on with the temperature. You know, feel that cold still. This I say, oh, internet gone. This hour 57. It look pretty warm. It's way warmer than yesterday, that's for sure. Yeah, 57.
Plaza Mall, right?
Birthday boy right here.
Happy birthday.
Who has a birthday? Happy birthday.
Yeah,
Yes,
this is
happy
the man
birthday.
right here.
Alright, happy birthday.
Yes.
Yes. So guys, we're in a Uber and we're going back to King's Plaza. Did I say it right? King's Plaza?
King Plaza we're going, right? Okay.
We're in there the other day, but we didn't get to go everywhere. So we're going back. Our crew's here. Lloyd. And guess who is here now? Yes, and Una we go. So Jade in the room. So say hi, Jay.
Hello.
And hi, babe. So we're going back at King's Plaza. Yeah. Let's go.
So we're at the mall now. Going on store.
feel cold.
Hey, look, let me show you. I want you to try me. You work on them? And these are the ones that you spray. So, can I buy?
To be honest, me can't smell nothing, so I don't even know what kind of perfume I would buy because I am not fully recovered yet.
These are nice.
So
Let me tell you something.
right there, the pink one. That was so nice.
May they give you?
Yeah. I want back one of those.
Remember, obviously, look at the seat.
Let me smell that.
These are nice.
Let me rub it out first.
Nice body spray
Alright, smell it now.
for the male.
Female?
Nice. Have you seen one?
What? That's the temperature, right? Please?
Ready, Mom?
I guess we could have tried. About 15 minutes. Which one you want, Jay?
I want this one.
This one you want?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, come. Alright, how does it start? It's ready? Jay, don't take a ride and come back.
No, which one you want?
You know?
Okay, let's shop around right now.
That would be a good idea.
Okay, class store again. Jay, it's a class store there? Class. No, Jay, don't ride in the store. Yes, we are. You like that?
No.
These, them I used to run the place, you know. Eh? Yeah, you have one. What them name again? Wanna call them? Arachi or something like yeah. Them still expensive. How it feel?
It feels good.
You have a little space there, eh? Okay. Alright, I guess that's you. Stand up. Okay. Turn around. Turn other way. Yeah? You like it? Okay. Alright. Cool.
They run big though.
Oh. Got it? She said got 11 in there, one not 12.
They run a little big.
How about Alright. Let me see. Them sandals. I like them. They're neat. Alright, hope it fits. Alright. That's cool. I need this. Really not bigger than this. It feels loose. Does it feel loose? He's back, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, it's cool. It looks good. I like it. Yeah, I like it. It's good for him too. So you put in other food?
Special table.
I think was missing.
Oh no, he gave me this.
I carry the socks and come, Jay. The socks too.
You take it back or?
Those are
The socks would be. The socks would be on this one.
Oh, I can't catch from you.
I mean, we do have socks on sale, but not Adidas though. It's
Oh.
buy one get one free. You want to get any pair of socks? Or you want Adidas?
Say that again?
So you want to get? I mean, we have socks. Buy one get one free. So it's two. You get 12 pairs for 18.
no, it's nice.
Oh.
No, it's not too much difference. When you get two.
Okay.
So you can mix it black and white.
Okay.
And then you get you want to, and you basically getting both of them for $18.
Oh.
But it's 12. 6 pairs and 6 pairs.
Oh, that's 12
Yeah,
pairs.
12 pairs.
Okay.
Yeah, so yeah.
Alright. Alright.
And then what's the size, right? 8 to 12 and a half. That's the size. You want
Okay.
both longs?
Yeah, all long socks.
Okay. You have a Macy's.
You still want Adidas socks, don't you?
No.
No, sister.
Brand is not sure.
Shut it down. Yeah, this one froze. Hold it. I have to shut that.
Alright. Go bum. You can let the ball pump in there, Jaden. After the ball pump on you, go on ask.
Like one of
one for
the team for the two of them. Let me see.
Yeah. You want to get your practice. Get a welcome break. Kyrie's asleep. Yeah, like that help me out. You know? Yep. Remember you used to run up the bill?
Thank you for your help.
Where to now? Where are we going now? We visit
in Portmore.
Huh?
I think they're going back in Portmore.
Portmore?
In there.
Oh, it's over there. Class are downstairs, I think, you know.
You want to go in all your stuff?
Too pricey, I can't manage. If me have money. I like them thing then. Look at this. T-shirt, yeah? And jeans pants. Like a simple t-shirt. I already got a shorts, like a sweater shorts, similar color. Then I saw this today, so yeah. And then this, my size, I'm not trying nothing, I can't bother. I'm gonna just grab my size. I know they'll fit. I trust they'll fit. Yeah. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Oh, Kyrie's awake. freeze and wait. Say hello. Say hi. Yes. Thank you. Oh. Oh, cute dress. Yeah?
Yeah.
Look at ice cream.
You wake up.
Yeah, he's awake now.
Proud of him. I know if you keep him quiet.
I pay in chair gear. Look at the people ready for your grand.
You want this? Really?
Yes, I was asking him what he thinks about this stuff, this outfit. Right here.
Yeah, kind of like that.
Yeah. Both of them.
How much is it?
Go with this?
Yeah.
Food time. What's this? I don't even know what a roast chicken with some vegetables, some pasta. You know, Viva get pizza. And Joe have a meatballs. Yeah. How's it? It's good. Yeah. Jaden, love pepper, watch him. Jaden throwing pepper and I'm bread. Let me see the bread. Let me see the bread. Okay, cool. Yeah, man. You guys are gonna tune out from right here, so you know what I mean. So, if you guys enjoyed the video, you guys will talk. That stuff our face. If you enjoyed the video, just give it a thumbs up. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already.
Turn on the post notification bell. Put the setting on on. Remember that one with the dancing symbols.
Yeah, man. So we out.